Hey everyone, welcome back to Dihazi Echo, your go-to spot for everything coding and programming. Have you ever wondered which programming language is the best to learn? If you're new to programming or just looking to pick up a new language, you might be thinking, which one should I choose? Well, today I'm going to tell you why Python is not only one of the best, but also the most beginner-friendly programming languages out there. Let's dive in. Before we get into why Python is awesome, let's first quickly talk about what a programming language actually is. A programming language is basically a tool that lets you tell a computer what to do. It's like learning a new language, but instead of talking to people, you're talking to computers. Why Python is popular? Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world today. It's been ranked at the top of many developer surveys for years, but what makes it so special? Let's break it down. Python is loved by both beginners and experienced developers because of its clean, readable syntax and wide range of applications. Let's dive into why it's so popular. Why Python is the best language for you. Easy to learn and read. First, Python is incredibly easy to learn, especially if you're just starting out. Its syntax, meaning how you write the code, is simple and clear, like reading plain English. Check this out. See how easy that is? You just tell Python what to do and it does it. No complicated symbols or confusing rules. It's as easy as telling the computer to print a message. Let's say you want to add to numbers in Python. You'd simply write this: huge community and resources. Python also has a huge community. This means you'll find tons of tutorials, guides, and forums where people are willing to help. If you get stuck, there's always someone to guide you. Versatility. One of the coolest things about Python is how versatile it is. Whether you want to create a website, build a game, dive into data science, or explore artificial intelligence, Python has tools and libraries to help you with all of that. Amazing libraries and frameworks. And if you want to do something specific, like data analysis or web development, Python has tons of ready-made libraries and frameworks to speed things up. For example, Python's used in different fields. Python in web development. First up, web development. Python is amazing for creating websites and web applications. There are two popular frameworks you can use for web development in Python: Flask and Django. Python in data science. Next, data science. If you've ever heard of data analysis, machine learning, or artificial intelligence, you're likely hearing about Python too. Python is the language for working with data because of its powerful libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib, and Python also used in AI and machine learning.